Hello, I'm Daniela Fontana and I'm part of the e-mobility Global Competence Center of Comau. In particular, I'm responsible for innovation projects in the battery field. The aim of our group is to understand the trends of the development and of the market in order to understand which are the real needs, so that to tailor our approach to machinery, to digital solutions and to system solutions. To reach this target, we collaborate with different academia and R&D centers in order to reply to the different needs of higher performances, increased quality, reduced cost, and increased sustainability and safety. We are involved also in different European funded projects together with several academia and industry, and we cover also R&D activities together with PhD programs with the Polytechnic of Torino and Milano in particular. We also offer consultancy activities to technology developers that need to scale up their processes from lab scale to production. Starting with a feasibility study of their lab scale processes, then we provide inputs and recommendations for the improvements of the process, so that their technology will be then easy to be scaled up. So we can cover the full stage, all the stages from the early developments to pilot demonstration up to mass production. We are also part of different consortia in Europe aimed at creating networking and collaboration for an integrated value chain in Europe. We think indeed that collaboration is a key factor for the success and competitiveness of the innovative solutions, and these platforms are a great opportunity to create new collaboration and strengthen the existing ones.